morning students. Last class we have discussed properties of zeros and ones, idempotence law, commutative law, involution law and complementary law. Today's class will discuss distributive law. There are two rules in a distributive law. First one is x into y plus z. You have to prove that is equals to xy plus xz. Second law, x plus yz is equals to x plus y into x plus z. So these two rules should be proved using a distributive law. First we will draw a logic diagram of the first one and the next one. First here, how many number of variables or how many number of inputs are x, y, z. First we see the x, y, z. Okay, here first thing you are using an OR gate. So use a OR gate. So this produces the result of y plus z. This y plus z should be ANDed with your x input. So AND with your x input, that is nothing but using an AND gate. So this gives the result of x into y plus z. This particular circuit should be equal to this circuit, whatever the result produced in x into y plus z should be equal to xy plus xz. For that we are going to use two AND gate, two AND gate. xy here xz. And these should be added with the help of your OR gate. That is the result of xy plus xz. Once again I am explaining here. See, the first rule what is used here, it is x into xy plus z. That should be equal to xy plus xz. The logic diagram or logic circuit for this particular rule is, you are going to consider three input x, y, z. In this particular rule, see the expression y plus z is being used as OR gate. We are ORing the gate, that is y, z. So I used a OR gate. The result is y plus z. This should be ANDed with your x input. So I am using an AND gate and will multiply, that is I am using an AND operation, x into y plus z. This should be equal to your RHS. What is the RHS? xy plus xz. I am using two AND gate, xy, xz. This should be added now. I am using an OR gate, one OR gate, two AND gate. So two AND gate, one OR gate. So whatever produced in LHS, that must be equal to your RHS. So this is the logic diagram of this particular rule. We'll prove. We'll consider x into y plus z, that is equals to xy plus xz. Okay. For this condition, you will take this as the LHS and this is as the RHS. Okay. First time, if x is equals to 0, consider your LHS. To consider your LHS, what is LHS? X into y plus z. Okay. Here x is 0, 0 into y plus z. That is, take the properties. 0 into x is nothing but that is equals to 0. Properties of 0, 1, that is nothing but 0. Here this is your LHS result. Now you consider for your RHS. If x is equals to 0, consider your RHS. What is my RHS here is xy plus xz. Now x is 0, 0 into y plus 0 into z. Again use the rule of the property, that is properties rule. 0 into x is equals to 0. That is 0 plus 0. So 0. Your LHS is equals to your RHS. This is the condition if x is equals to 0. Next we will see if x is equals to 1. So next we have solved for x is equals to 0. Now we will solve for if x is equals place of x you are going to substitute the value 1. 1 into y, 1 into y plus z. That is nothing but y plus z. According to the properties, 1 into x is nothing but x. Okay? This is your LHS. Now, for a consider, substitute the value x is equals to 1. Consider your RHS xy plus xz. So, in place of x, you are going to substitute the value 1. 1 into y plus 1 into z. That is let me use the property 1 into y. That is nothing but 1 into x is nothing but your x. So, y plus z. So, this is your RHS. Now, your LHS is equal to your RHS for substituting both the values x is equals to 0 as well as x is equals to 1. So, using this logic diagram, we theoretically prove that our LHS is equal to your RHS. Now, see how the truth table equals between your LHS and RHS. So, the truth table of this, we are going to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So, first you consider how many number of input, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 3 input, 3 variables are there, 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 8 possible ways. So, 0, 0, 0. I have already explained how to representing the input 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, if you are feeling difficult, you put 2's multiple and add it. So, 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 0, 1, 6, 1, 1, 0, 7, 1, 1, 1. So, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So, 8 possible ways of inputting. Next, you have to add these two. Add these two values. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. We are going to add these two. Okay. Next, after adding, you should be added with your x. Take this particular y plus z, that should be multiplied using a logical AND operation or logical multiplication with x. These two. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So, the LHS part is being over. Now we go for an RHS part. So, what is the RHS is xy plus xz. So, multiply. You use a logical multiplication between xy and between xz. First you do for xy. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So, xy is being completed. Now you multiply with xz. Do a logical multiplication between xz. These two. So, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So, you have got the expression xy and xz. These two should be using a logical addition. You add these two. 0 plus 0 is 0. 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 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Now you got the expression addition with your OR gate. So this is your OR gate. That is nothing but you get the result as x plus yz. This should be equal to x plus y into x plus z. So I am using x plus y. I am using a OR gate. This is x plus y, and this should be done with your z. Okay. This should be. This is your x I am taking as it is x z. Okay, x plus z. These two should be ANDed with your logical AND gate. That you get the result as x plus y into x plus z. See here, this is your OR gate. Once again I am explaining. Listen here. See x. So you have only 3 inputs, x, y, z, 3 inputs. These two are logical AND. So I am using an AND gate. I am ANDing with the AND gate y, z. After ANDing, what is the result coming out with this y, z? So this should be OR with using a OR gate. X should be OR with using a OR gate y, z. The result what it comes out, the total is nothing but x plus y, z. This circuit must be equal to your right hand side x plus y into x plus z. So here x plus y. So x, y, z we make it as x, y. You use the one OR gate. And again, otherwise you can separately represent this without using an angle. This one, or you can separately represent x. X again x z using an OR gate. I am adding x plus z, x plus y, and these two should be added with using an AND gate. That is nothing but one AND gate I am using x plus y into x plus z. As we prove this theoretically, how this LHS should be equal to your RHS. So here, this particular rule, your view rule, that is second rule, that is to divide as your first rule. What is your first rule? X into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. This is your first rule. So this is dual. It has same component, but it acts as a dual rule. So we will prove that RHS, that is RHS equal to LHS. Consider your RHS x plus y into x plus z. See this B rule, it acts as a dual part of, I am using a dual principal rule. It acts as a dual as the first rule. So we will prove any one, either RHS is equal to LHS, LHS is equal to RHS. So I am considering your RHS, that is x plus y into x plus z. So you just multiply with this. Okay, x plus y into x plus z. So here I am taking x plus y. So take your RHS x plus y into x plus z. You multiply that each variable with the other thing. X into x is xx plus x into z is xz plus xy plus yz. Consider. So in this case, okay, in this case, take x as common. That is x. That is x as the common. Here it is x into x is nothing but your idempotence law. That is a variable combined with its variable using an AND operator. It is nothing but it is equals to the same variable, that is x. I am using this rule. Okay, for this. So x into x is x plus xz, as it is here xy plus yz. So here I am taking x as common. So 1 plus z. Here y as common. Here that is x plus z. Here, so this okay, in this you take the x into x is nothing but x into x is nothing but according to idempotence law, it is x as it is xz plus xy yz.
So in this thing you take the common x. That is nothing but 1 plus z. This one write it as it is. That is xy plus yz. Okay, xy plus yz. Here x, this particular rule, that is nothing but 1 plus x is equals to 1. That is your properties of zeros and 1. So I am considering this as 1. 1 plus, in this case, okay, in this case you consider y as common, okay, yz, okay, xy plus yz. Now x plus xy plus yz, okay. Now in this next case, x plus, okay, xy plus yz. So this x as it is, okay, in this case I am taking x as it is 1 plus y, okay, plus yz. I am taking the common x as it is, okay, x as it is 1 is the 1 plus y. Again 1 plus y is nothing but 1. In place of x it is y. So x plus into 1, x into 1 plus yz. So here I am using the property 1 plus x is equal to 1 property. So x plus yz, that is nothing but your LHS. See, once again I am explaining you. See, this particular x plus yz is equals to x into xy into x plus y into x plus z. This is the rule given in your distributive law and the B rule. You have to prove that this particular LHS is equal to RHS. RHS either should be equal to LHS. Since we have seen in the first rule, the same identical has the dual of B1 is dual of the rule of A. So I am considering any either one. I am considering the RHS. I am taking RHS as x plus y into x plus z. So multiply each term with another term. X into x is xx, x into z is xy. Now go for the next one. Y into x is xy or yx. Next y into z is yz. So in this you go this xx. This is according to idempotency law. X, a variable combined with the same variable, the result is the same variable. Instead of xx, I am using one variable according to idempotency law. X as it is plus xz as it is plus xy as it is plus yz as it is. In these two things, you see the common thing is x. So I made it as x as common thing. I have written 1 plus z. So the remaining thing xy plus yz as it is. I have written the same thing. So according to your properties rule, 1 plus x is equals to 1. Here instead of x, and it is here it is z. So x as it is 1 plus z is nothing but 1. That is 1 plus xy as it is, yz as it is. So x into 1 is nothing but according to your property, that is x into 1 is nothing but x. So I have written x as it is, xy, yz as it is. Now in this two things, you see which one is the common thing? Again x. Remove the x out. 1 plus y plus yz. 1 plus x is nothing but 1. According to the properties, there are also same property. Again there is the same property. So this property, so 1 plus y is nothing but 1 as it is plus yz. So x into y, use the property that is of zeros and 1. X into 1 is nothing but your x. Okay. Properties of zeros and 1. X into 1 is x plus yz. So x plus yz is equals to, that is nothing but your LHS. So RHS is being proved to, that is equal to your LHS. So next we will see the truth table of this particular. The truth table for this particular law is under distributive law. This I am considering three variables x, y, z. So three inputs x, y, z. So we will assign the inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 4. Position 1, 2, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is for your input. I have assigned the values. Now in this expression, see, I am using yz. It should be logical multiplication. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into both the input side 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So yz is being completed. This should be OR with your x. X input 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So this your LHS part has been completed. Now we move on to the RHS part. So x plus y should be done a logical OR addition. X plus y. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So this part is being completed. Now do your logical addition with x into x plus z. These two. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So we have done your logical addition x plus y, x plus z. These two should be done a logical multiplication, that is x plus y plus into x plus z. So 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 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 1 into 1 is 1. So you got your left hand side and your right hand side. Just cross check it. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So given RHS is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So they are theoretically proved. This particular expression x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z, as well as using a truth table they have solved. This LHS is equal to your RHS. Completes your distributive law. That part A, that is rule A and rule B. Next law is absorption law.
Absorption law. In this law there are two rules. That is, first one is A is x plus y is equals to x. Second one is x into x plus y is equals to x. You have to prove that both the condition, that is LHS is equals to RHS. Again here it is LHS equals to RHS. First we will draw the logic diagram of this particular thing. So how many number of input here? It is x and y. So x, y. These two should be AND with using your AND gate. That is nothing but your AND gate. So this x should be the result whatever coming in x and y, that is nothing but x, y. That should be OR with your OR gate. OR gate, that is x plus x, y. This particular circuit should be equal to, this particular thing should be equal to your x value. What it tells means, see I am using two input, two inputs are there, x and y. I am taking x and y. This x and y, first thing is it is being ANDed. So use a AND gate, and same extra input should be OR with the result whatever come out from your AND gate, that is x into y. So that is x into y is nothing but x plus y. The output whatever result R comes, that should be equal to x. So first we will prove theoretically. Consider a LHS. LHS is nothing but x plus xy. Here x plus y, what's the common? X, 1 plus y. This 1 plus y, again according to your properties, 1 plus x is equals to 1. Properties of 0, that is nothing but 1. X into 1 is nothing but, again is a property, x dot 1 is nothing but x. So x, your RHS is being proved. Next we will see the truth table for this. Okay, let's see the truth table. We have theoretically proved that is x plus y is equals to x. Now let us see with help of the truth table. Take the only two input variables. So x 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these two should be ANDed. 0 into 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1 because both the input is high. Next, this value should be OR, do a logical addition with x. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Now see the value of, this is your, what is that, your LHS. Now this is your RHS. See the value of x and value of x plus xy. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Here 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is being logically proved with help of truth table, that is x plus xy is equals to x. So second one. So second rule under absorption law is x into x plus y is equals to x. So for this first we will draw a logical diagram, then we prove theoretically and your truth table. So how many number of input? Again 2 input x, y. So the first thing, these should be using a OR gate or OR, that is you are doing a logical addition. Do a logical addition. What is it comes output as x plus y. So again this should be ANDed with your, this should be ANDed with your x plus y. Use a AND gate. So this is your x plus y, that is x into x plus y. The result should be equal to x. I am using one OR gate, one AND gate. Once again I am explaining. See, here it is consider only two input, that is x and y. So I am considering two input x and y. See the first thing we have to add, that is your logical OR should be, or logical addition should be done. For that I am using an OR gate. So x, y should be done with an OR gate. That is the output come out. Again this output whatever it has come out x plus y, that should be ANDed with help of AND gate with x. So with x I am ANDing x plus y. So I am using again a one AND gate. X into x plus y is equals to x. I have to prove this one. So first thing, consider your LHS. What's my LHS? X into x plus y. Just multiply x into x is x plus xy. So I have already taught you in your idempotence law, a variable combined with its a variable using an AND operator or OR operator, the result is the same, x. Using idempotence law. Idempotence law. That is x dot x is equals to x. So x plus xy. So in this see the common things x. Now 1 plus y. That is nothing but again use the properties of 1 plus x is equals to 1. So that is x into, in place of y, x here it is y. So 1. So that is equal to x. So your RHS is being proved. Once again I am explaining. Consider your LHS, that is x into x plus y. I am taken x into x plus y. So multiply this. X into x is x plus x into y. According x into x, I have already told in last class, it is an idempotence law. In a variable combined with itself using an AND gate or OR gate, the result is the same variable. Here we have used your AND operation. X into x is x plus xy as it is. In these two things you take the x as common, 1 plus y. Okay, if x is taken common, here it is 1 plus y. Now 1 plus y is nothing but again the properties of zeros and 1 plus x is equals to 1. So here instead of x, here it is y. So 1 plus y is equals to, that is nothing but 1. X into 1 is nothing but x. Your RHS is being proved. So we'll prove using a truth table, your LHS should be equal to your RHS. So in this, looking at this, how many number of variables are here? Only 2 variables. So x and y. So 2 input. So 2 square is nothing but 4 possible ways of inputting 1, 2. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Next we are doing a logical addition, x plus y. Okay, x plus y. So then x into x plus y. So first we will add these two. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Next, this x plus y should be done a logical multiplication with your x. So 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Now you see this should be proved with your x. See the x value, this is my LHS. And x, what's my x code here it is? That is nothing but my RHS. See the x into x plus y is nothing but 0 0 1 1. What's my x value? 0 0 1 1. So till here it proves the x into x plus y is equals to x with help of the truth table. So the next topic is some other rules or laws of Boolean algebra. Apart from commutative law, idempotent law, involution law, distributive law, associative law, the other laws, other rules is this x plus x bar y is equals to x plus y. This is also called as third distributive law. This is also called as third distributive law. So consider this is your LHS and this is your RHS. We have to prove that is LHS is equals to RHS. Consider your LHS. What's my LHS? X plus xy. X bar y. X bar y. So in this case, okay, I have to prove that is equals to x plus y. So consider x as it is. See, according to your properties, x, that is 1 into x is equals to x. So in place of that, I am using x into 1 plus x bar y as it is. Okay. Now x as it is, this 1 can be written as, that is 1 plus y is equals to 1. That is according to your properties. Properties of 0 and 1, that is 1 plus x is equals to 1. Okay. So x as it is, here I am using 1 plus y. Instead of x I am using y plus x bar y as it is. Now multiply x plus xy plus x bar y. Okay. Here I am taking, okay, x as it is. In this thing, okay, what's the common thing is y, x plus x bar. Okay. Here x plus y, according to your complementary law, x plus x bar is equals to 1. Complementary law. So x plus x bar is equals to 1. So x plus y into 1, that is nothing but x into 1 is nothing but your x. According to your properties of zeros and ones. So x plus y is being proved. Your RHS is being proved. That is equal to your LHS. Once again I am explaining. Consider x plus y, x plus x bar y. Take it as it is. So x as it is, x into, that is 1 into x is equals to x. So I am representing x as the properties of zeros and ones. That is x into 1 plus x bar y as it is. Now this x as it is, this 1 can be represented again using the properties of 1 plus x is equals to 1. So in place of x I am replacing y. So 1 plus y. Okay. Plus this x bar y as it is. Now multiply. X into 1 is x into y is xy plus x bar y. Now in this x as it is, in these two cases y as common, I am removing y as common. Now x plus x bar. Now x as it is plus y. Using a complementary law, x plus x bar is equals to 1. So x plus x bar is equals to 1. So x as it is properties of 0, x into 1 is nothing but your x. Instead of y, x, it is y. So x plus y. Your RHS is the truth. So next we'll see the truth table for it. So we'll theoretically we have to prove that is LHS equals to RHS. Now we'll prove by truth table. So how many number of input here it is? 2 input x, y. So next is what's the count? Take the first is use the NOT operator for or NOT gate or NOT operator is x bar. Next, this NOT complement or inverse complement inverter should be added. Should be multiplied with y. So x bar y. Okay. Next, this x bar y should be added with your x plus x bar y. Next, these two after adding with x plus x bar y, and you have to prove that should be equal to x plus y. Here, first we have taken x and y. Next, complement you see for which it is complement. Only for x bar it is being complemented. Now multiply this x bar with x bar y, and add these two x plus x bar y, and that should be equal to x plus y. So two possible combination, that is nothing but 2 square 4. 1 2 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now take the inverse of it is x complement. So 1, all your 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0. Next, this should be multiplied. This should be added with your y. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So you got this one. Now this one x bar y should be odd with, do a logical addition with x. X is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now you got your LHS part. Now you prove with your RHS part. So we add these two x plus y. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. So here, see your LHS. This is your LHS and your RHS value. So your LHS value, that is x plus x bar y, that is 0, 1, 1, 1. Your RHS is nothing but x plus y. I have added these two, x plus y. So x plus y is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 1. So these two are identical. So they are logically equal by using a truth table, that is x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Next topic, we are going to the next thing. It's very important thing, that is De Morgan's theorem. This comes nearly for 5 marks. There are two theorems in this, first theorem and second theorem. This was done by person Augustine De Morgan. He named his name is named as a De Morgan's theorem. So you are going to use with the Boolean algebra how to solve the expression using a Boolean algebra. First theorem is x plus y bar is equals to x bar into y bar. Second theorem, De Morgan's second theorem is x into y bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So first we will see the first theorem, then we will move on to the second theorem. First theorem, the logic diagram is, so how many number of input here it is? 2 input. So x. So I am using x bar. Okay. This is your x bar. This is y bar. These two should be added. Sorry, these two should be OR. I am using a logical OR gate. So x bar plus y bar. So I am using taking as x as the input, y as the input. So I am using a NOT gate or inverted gate. That becomes the complement of x and complement of y. Then these should be OR. Do a logical addition that with the help of an OR gate. So this becomes x bar plus y bar. This should be equal to x y bar, y bar. This thing two should be ANDed using a logical AND gate. That is x bar into y bar. Once again I am explaining. You can take your x and y as the input. Use a NOT gate or inverter gate. That becomes your complement. X becomes x complement. Y becomes y complement. And these two should be OR using an OR gate. So that result will be x bar plus y bar. That should be equal to x bar into y bar. So x y as it is. Use a inverter gate or NOT gate. So this becomes x bar and this becomes your y bar. Use a AND gate. The result is x bar into y bar. We have to prove that x plus y bar is equals to x into y bar. So the first law will prove. We have seen the logic circuit. So first is x bar plus y bar. That is x plus y bar equal to x bar into y bar. To prove this law, first we have to consider a complementary law. First we will see the complementarity law. In this law, what I explained is x plus x bar is equals to 1. Next, x into x bar is equals to 0. Keeping this as a basic thing, we are going to prove this particular law. What it tells us, consider let p is equals to x plus y, let it be a logical variable. Consider it is a logical variable, that is p is equals to x plus y. Then p plus p bar is equals to 1, p into p bar is equals to 0. We have to, in place of x it is p, in place of p x bar it is p bar. So therefore prove that p plus p bar is equals to 1, p into p bar is equals to 0. This let us assume p is equals to x plus y, this is equals to logical variable. Consider it's a logical variable. Then p plus p bar is equals to 1, p into p bar is equals to 0. Now consider Boolean expression p is equals to x plus y. Then p bar is equals to x plus y bar. That is nothing but x into y bar. See, p plus y bar is equals to x into y bar. So we will prove out this, work it out. So in here, in place of p, what is p value here? It is x plus y. In place of p bar, it is x plus x into y bar is equals to 1. Next, in place of p, x plus y into p bar is nothing but x bar y bar is equals to 0. We have to prove for these two conditions. This p stands for x plus y. Next, p bar stands for x bar y bar. So we have to take the complementarity law and prove that x plus y plus x bar into y bar is equals to 1. Then x plus y into x bar y bar is equals to 0. Once again I mentioned this is very important theorems. Either they ask for a 5-mark theorem to explain both first theorem and second theorem, or just one theorem. So you are going to take the consideration of complementary law. When you understand this, you can do it. So complementarity law, in that I told, I have explained x a variable, taking considering its complement, using an OR, it is always 1. A variable and its complement, using an AND, it is always 0. This I have already proved. Considering these things in the mind, we are going to solve this particular thing. So what it tells is, let p is equals to x plus y is equals to x plus y, that is nothing but logical variable. Then p plus p bar is equals to, I have to prove, is equal to 1. P into p bar is equals to 0. Now if p is equals to x plus y, then p bar is nothing but x plus y the whole bar. That is nothing but x bar into y bar. So take the, now I have to solve, I have to prove for this one. In place of p, substitute x plus y plus x bar into y bar is equals to 1. Next, p into p bar. P into p bar is equals to 0. Now we will solve these two. That is x plus y plus x bar into y bar is equals to 1. X plus y into x bar y bar is equals to 0. Okay. First thing we are considering p plus p bar is equals to 1. So what is my p? X plus y plus as it is p bar is nothing but x bar into y bar is equals to 1. So this should be proved. So that is your LHS should be proved to your RHS. Consider your LHS x plus y plus x bar into y bar. So this using a distributive law x y z. What's my distributive law? X plus y z. X plus y into x plus z. We have solved, just now we solved the distributive law. Consider, take it as this as the x term and x bar is my y bar is my z. So here distributive law, this is my x plus, okay, x plus y plus x bar equal to, again use this is my x as it is x into, see this is my x into y, see x into y, okay, as it is plus x into, x is nothing but x plus y, okay, x into y into plus y bar. See once again I am saying according to distributive law, that is x plus yz is equals to x plus y into x plus z. So this I am considering as an x as it is plus x bar becomes my y bar becomes my z. So I have to group this one. X as it is I have written, y is nothing but my x bar. Next plus, sorry, into next what is my x as it is plus y bar, that is nothing but z, that is nothing but y bar. So now consider, okay, x, these two things, x into x is x bar plus xy, x bar y, this one thing. Now consider these two, y bar is x y bar plus y into y bar. You got it? This thing, x plus y into y bar. Now you know that complementary law, x into x bar, that is nothing but 0 plus x bar y into, okay, now x y bar as it is. Now y into y bar, again it is using a complementary law, it is 0. Now you take it as it is, that is 0 plus x bar, that is nothing but 0, that is the property, 0 plus x is nothing but x. So consider x bar y into x y bar. So here it is in the form of x bar y into x y bar. Now listen students here. So I am using a distributive law, x plus y plus x bar y bar. I have used a distributive law, x plus yz is equals to x plus y into x plus z. This is my rule in your distributive law. I am applying the same rule, considering this as my x and this is my yz. That is x bar becomes y bar becomes z. So I am grouping this one, x plus y as it is y. What's my y here? It is x bar into x plus y as it is. Then what's my z is here? It is nothing but y bar. So I have to group here. The other way, instead of multiplying, you can just remove the bracket. That is x plus y plus x bar. Instead of each time multiplying, go a lengthy process. Just remove the bracket, x plus y plus y bar. So here, instead of again going to a distributive law, just remove the bracket and just open one term. So here group theorem, x plus x bar plus y into x plus y bar. Now here x plus x bar is nothing but, according to your complementary rule, x plus x bar is nothing but 1 plus y into, now x as it is this one, y plus y bar is nothing but 1 using a complementary rule. That is, I have already told now, x plus x bar is equals to 1. So here x plus x bar is equals to 1 as it is, this y as it is into x as it is, y plus y bar. Instead of x it is y plus. Now what you have the value 1 plus y into 1 plus, sorry, x plus 1. So according to the properties, that is 1 plus x is equals to 1. According to the properties of zeros and ones, 1 plus x is equals to 1. So here 0 plus x is equals to x, but 1 plus this, I am not using this property, I am using this one. 1 plus x is equals to 1. So here 1 plus, instead of x, here it is y, it is 1. Instead of, here again x as it is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So first property, that is first thing, p plus p bar is equals to 1. That is nothing but x plus y into x bar into y bar is equals to 1 has been proved. I have proved that one, this thing. That is x plus y plus x bar y bar is equals to 1. Once again I am explaining. Take the distributive law. Distributive law, x plus y. I am using for this distributive law. What is my distributive law? X plus yz. That is nothing but x plus y into x plus z. Just now I will explain. Consider this term as x, this term as yz. So I am grouping this one. X plus